good afternoon to my respected jury members and to all the beautiful ladies present here. My name is Ananya Dalui. I'm from Howrah, West Bengal. Today I am representing my own culture, that is Bengali culture, in a simple and different way through my makeup look and the outfit. I have chosen this topic because while talking about fashion, I have seen most of the boys and girls, specifically Bengalis, are too much obsessed with Western culture, Western dresses, are too much obsessed with also the language accents also. They are thinking like traditional outfits or language can't stand here because the Western culture fits there totally. But for me, it is just not like that. You have to remember about your culture, your traditions, because it completes you properly and you have to give importance to it also. Don't forget your culture while doing fashion or anything in any stage of your life. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you so much. So next we'll hear from Asmita. Hi, Asmita. Asmita Shakya, can you please switch on your video as well as audio? Okay, so moving forward, let's hear it from Aisha then. Hi, Aisha. Post Aisha, the sequence would be Charvi, Darshana, Melrose, Devanshi, Tarangini. So, Aisha, can we hear from you?
हेलो मैम.
Hi, are we ready?
यस. पहले मैं आपको अपना लुक बताती हूँ. हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम आयशा. जैसे भारत में वीर पुरुषों ने जन्म लिया है, वैसे ही वीर नारियों ने भी जन्म लिया है. इसलिए मैंने आज महाराष्ट्रियन लुक लिया है. इसमें झांसी की रानी है, झांसी की रानी का लुक लिया है. और उनका जो भी क्या बोलते हैं, जो भी गेटअप है, मैंने उनको आज लिया है. बहुत साहसी और वो बहुत साहसी महान थी. थैंक यू मैम, इतना ही.
Thank you, Aisha. Thank you so much. So next we'll hear from Darshana. Hi, Darshana.
Harry ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, actually I have my job going on, so if you could add me in the initial batches.
Okay, so I'll put you after Darshana. Please let Darshana complete because, yeah, okay, no problem. So, hi Darshana, can we hear from you?
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt.
Yes, please.
I have some work due to my schedule, then can I give firstly from the others?
Okay, I shall allocate you on the earlier position. So let's hear it from Poonam then. Poonam, please go ahead. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Today is my first day at job, and I was all nervous and excited in the morning. While I was feeling all the emotions, I did look back at the past and imagine what would have happened and how I would have dressed up if it was my first day and things would have been normal. So, keeping all the emotions in my mind, I thought, why not channel my emotions into an outfit today and let that be my theme? So, I decided to go for a business casual as I want to be a stylist in future. So keeping that in mind, I decided to dress as a stylist and keeping this as my first day, and I'm going for a business casual. So just a second. That time
Poonam, you have to unmute yourself.
आप म्यूट पे चली गई हैं.
Sorry, ma'am. So, ma'am, did I mention my outfit? Did I explain my outfit? Would you hear explaining me my outfit?
जब आपने ब्रेक लिया उसके बाद आपने खुद को अनम्यूट कर दिया.
Okay. So, today the theme is I have kept in my mind that I'm a stylist and today is my first day. And for that, I have worn a yellow spaghetti inside, as you can see. Over that, I have added a black blazer with a white stripes, and below I have tucked it inside a skirt with stripes on it. So, and keeping my hair and makeup very subtle, and with these little earrings, because a lot of things are going on in my outfit, so I wanted to keep my face and my makeup subtle, and this is my look. Thank you.
Thank you, Poonam. Jury members, Poonam was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. So let's hear it from Anchal then. Hi, Anchal.
Hello everyone.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Yes. Today in this talent round 2, I want to depict a life of a student. As an institute student, I would like to describe how a student can be dressed up for going for a, I can say for the study or any institute. Like today, I have worn this V-shaped top and I have accessorized it with the medium-sized golden studs and with a watch in my hand, and I have worn blue jeans over this and with casual shoes, I can say, which are looking very pretty. So that's I have displayed my outfit, and that's all I have.
Thank you, Anchal. Thank you so much. So, Darshana, can we hear something from you now?
Ma'am, now I have some sort of works.
Yes, Anchal, you can go. Okay, so there's one little request in case you are not available, or at least respond via text or unmuting yourself, because it just feels blank to wait for nobody. So let's hear it from Melrose then. Hi, Melrose.
Hi, Miss Ari. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Melrose, and I am representing a culture that's called the East Indians. We East Indians are basically from Mumbai and not from the East like Kolkata. Now, to speak more about my culture, I would like to call my daughter. Just give me a minute, I will get her for you. Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Melrose, and I am his daughter. I'm going to talk about our culture. We are the official inheritance from Mumbai. This is our culture as you see. We are very rooted in our culture and tradition. We come from a city of Mumbai. Most of the East Indians here are either farmers or fisher folks. There are these occupations that many people look down upon. However, we don't realize that the farmers and fisher folks are the background and also the backbone of our nation. वो अन्नदाता है, वो हमें खाना provide करते हैं. We should always respect and always thank God for giving us farmers and our fisher folks. In this time, I would like to tell you The thing that I have worn is called a lugra. It is a 9-yard sari. The necklace that I have worn is called a poth. This is given to us by our husband, and this one is given to us by our fathers. However, even though we are rooted in our culture and tradition, our parents never stopped us from pursuing our dreams. However, we will always remain rooted in our culture and tradition. There are so many things that you can explore, and I would like you all to come to Mumbai and visit us. And I would like to show you, we have special museums, we have special places, and we have special trainings and special cuisine that I would like you all to try. I just want to take this platform to show the world and India that there is a culture called the East Indian culture, and I'm very proud to be a part of this culture. Thank you.
Thank you, Melrose. Jury members, Melrose was 50 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Devanshi, and post Devanshi, the sequence would be Tarangini, Hemlata, Kalpana, Manisha, and Mansi. Hi, Devanshi.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. It's me, Devanshi Mishra. Today I'm wearing this beautiful pink color sharara. I would like to show you the full view. And here it is. So yeah, I'm wearing my favorite dress, sharara, as I'm in awe with the Muslim ethnicity and their culture. So I'm wearing this dress. Yesterday was Eid ul-Doha and we all enjoyed it. I'm wearing this dress which is gifted by my grandmother. And this dress is elegant, beautiful, and like, I just love this. So I'm wearing it because I think so. I personally believe that you should do whatever you like in which you feel happy from within. I picked out this dress. It is elegant, beautiful, and charming, and I'm looking beautiful. I know. मैं already बहुत सुंदर दिखती हूँ और मैं अब इसमें और सुंदर दिख रही हूँ. I think so आप सबको लग रहा होगा कि लग रहा है गीत एक pink color के शरारा में आ गई है. I'm like that, so I'm representing it. I'm wearing this Hindu bindiya, which is showing the combination of Hindu and Muslim. And I have opened my beautiful brown colored hair, and I have done this makeup by my own only. And this is the pink color lipstick, which I have brought on discount, 1 with 1 free. And here it is. And I am wearing this sharara, whose kurti is like very beautiful. I love this, all designs, frills and all. And that's why I'm wearing it. And I think so that style is what you wear without, means like it tells about your personality without you speak. And here I am speaking only, and I'm telling you about that. Yeah, I have made this with my love, and I'm showing you here my personality with what is my choice to wear if I am given a chance to do whatever I like. And here I am, and really I enjoy this contest because I get the chance to wear my beautiful dress and show it before all of you. Thank you, everyone. Adab.
Thank you, Devanshi. Thank you so much. So next, let's hear it from Tarangini. Hi, Tarangini. Devanshi, please mute yourself.
Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Myself, Tarangini Krishna from the city Visakhapatnam. So I have chose this outfit depicting different women. So the knot with flowers and bindi, which shows the traditionality of the women, and this oxidized jewelry of a modern woman, and this crop top of an ultra modern. And I just paired this with a dhoti, saying that we are not less to a man. We can do all sort of work. And I know that every woman is learning day by day to meet the generation, to meet the fastness of the generation, wearing the crown on the top of their head. So that's it about my outfit for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Tarangini. Thank you so much. So next would be Hemlata. Hi, Hemlata.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
First of all, my look. Saree. Uttar Pradesh. सो मेरा कल्चर ये साड़ी जो मैंने बचपन से देखा है, मेरी मम्मी भाभी मौसी सबसे मैंने देखा है, और जो मुझे इजीली बहुत जल्दी से मुझे अच्छा भी लगता है और जल्दी से मुझे ऐसे हो भी जाता है. सो नेकलेस एंड कुछ चैन एंड कंगन एंड सो थैंक यू मैम मुझे ये चांस देने के लिए कि मैं अपने आप को अब रिप्रेजेंट कर पा रही हूँ और ये कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए. सो आई एम सो थैंकफुल एफसिया. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Hemlata. Thank you so much. Next would be Kalpana. Hi, Kalpana. आप अभी भी म्यूट पे हैं. जी, now I can hear you. Are we ready?
हाँ. नमस्ते मैम. गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, ऑल ज्यूरी मेंबर और एफसीए की पूरी ग्रुप को मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते. मैं सिंपल असमीज वुमेन की ड्रेस पहनी हूँ. मेरी ड्रेस में ये ऐसा में इसको मेखला चादर बोलते हैं. ये मेखला चादर है. ये मेरी मेखला चादर है. और इसको ऐसा में सिंपल वुमेन की ड्रेस में मैं इसके साथ में सिंपल नेकलेस पहनी हूँ. इसको झुनबिरी बोलते हैं असमीज में. जैसे हाफ मून आती है ना, ऐसा इसको झुनबिरी बोलते हैं. सिंपल में हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं. और ये हाफ मून की जैसी कान में भी ऐसा ही लगाना. और बाकी मैं आसाम से बिलोंग करती हूँ और मेरे आसामीज ट्रेडिशन को आप लोग प्रमोट करने के लिए ये मुझे अवसर दिया. इसके लिए मैं आप लोग को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बोलती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलना.
Thank you, Kalpana. Thank you so much. So next, let's hear it from Manisha. Hi, Manisha.
Hi. Can I start?
Yeah, please.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मनीषा गाड़ेकर है. मेरी थीम है महाराष्ट्रियन पारंपरिक पोशाक. मैंने नौवारी पहनी हुई है. सबसे पहले मैं मेरे मेकअप के बारे में बताती हूँ. मैंने डिसेंट मेकअप चूज किया है. चेहरे पर मेरी ड्राई स्किन है, इसलिए मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर लगाया. उसके बाद मैंने प्राइमर लगाया, पॉन्ड्स की बीबी क्रीम लगाई जो मुझे सूट करती है, और कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. आंखें बड़ी दिखने के लिए मैंने आईलाइनर और काजल लगाया और लिपस्टिक लगाया है. और हेयर स्टाइल में मैंने जूड़ा किया है. इसको मराठी में इसको अंबाड़ा बोलते हैं. और ये जो मैंने इतने सारे गहने पहने हुए हैं, हर एक का अलग अलग महत्व है. ये सिर्फ हमारा सौंदर्य ही नहीं बढ़ाता, पर हमें निरोगी भी रखता है. और कानों में ये मैंने बुगड़ी पहनी. आपने मराठी लावणी सुनी होगी, बुगड़ी माझी सांडली का, इसे बुगड़ी कहते हैं. और ये कंबर पट्टा, इससे हमारा डाइजेशन अच्छे से होता है, इसलिए हम पहनते हैं. इसको नथ कहते हैं. इसके सिवा औरत का श्रृंगार अधूरा है. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होता है. पैरों की उंगलियों में हम जोड़ भी पहनते हैं, इससे हमारा ब्लड सर्कुलेशन अच्छे से होता है. ये थीम मैंने इसलिए चूज की क्योंकि मैं इस थीम को बचपन से देखते आ रही हूँ. मेरे घर में सभी औरतें हर एक फंक्शन में से पहनते हैं, और जब मैं इसे खुद पहनती हूँ बहुत अच्छा फील होता है, और मैं इसमें बहुत कंफर्टेबल भी हूँ. जैसे राजमाता जिजाबाई, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, सावित्रीबाई फुले, अहिल्याबाई होलकर, इनके विचार और कार्य सच में मेरे दिल को छूते हैं. इसलिए सोचा क्यों ना थोड़ा उनके जैसा करूं, इसलिए मैंने ये थीम चूज की. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Mansi next, and post Mansi, the sequence would be Muskan, Naomi, Naina, Vidya, and Shireen. So, hi, Mansi.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Mansi Patil, reside in Mumbai. Ladies, you're doing your best. Please keep it up. I have worn this outfit to show the two personalities of a girl. There was a girl who was an angel, but everyone took her advantage of her innocence and kindness. then she has to show her evil side. See, she has to show her evil side, and she has to stand strong to fight against harassment, injustice, and the persons who took her advantage. But women have two personalities, good and bad. But if you are performing an evil, you're playing an evil role, but you don't have to. Sorry. You don't have to change the kindness of a person. Means you have to know, don't leave your kindness. You have to keep your kindness along with you and fight against evil and injustice people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mansi. So let's hear it from Muskan. Hi, Muskan.
मैं मुस्कान चंडीगढ़ से। सबसे पहले ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं राजस्थानी नहीं हूँ, पर मैंने ये लुक इसलिए चूज किया है क्योंकि मैं राजस्थानी कल्चर से बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्ट करती हूँ। तो आज इसलिए मैंने राजस्थानी टिपिकल राजस्थानी राजपूताना अटायर को चूज किया है। आई एम वेयरिंग अ लहंगा विद बोरला, नथनी, चूड़ियां, इन सब चीजों के साथ मैंने इसको ड्रेस अप किया है। मेनली इस लुक से ज्यादा एक्चुअली मैं अपने पोर्टफोलियो के एक पिक्चर के बारे में ज्यादा डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए क्योंकि वो मुझे लगता है वो मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग एस्पेक्ट है। मैंने एक पिक्चर पोस्ट की है जिसमें कि वो सोशल वर्क के रिगार्डिंग है, जिसमें मैं कुछ ऑर्फन्स और नीडी को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ। ये मेरा एक पर्सनल डिजायर है कि जब मैं स्टैंड हो जाऊँ, एक फेस बन जाऊँ किसी पेजेंट का, किसी ब्रांड का, या फिर किसी भी फील्ड में स्टैंड अप कर रही हूँ, तो मैं ऑर्फन्स के लिए बहुत कुछ करूँ। और ये मेरा एक्सपेक्ट इसलिए है क्योंकि मेरे भी पेरेंट्स नहीं है, मैं अंडर गार्डियन हूँ, तो इसलिए मुझे ज्यादा सिंपैथी है उनके लिए और मैं उनके लिए बहुत कुछ करना चाहती हूँ और एक बेटर कम्युनिटी बनाना चाहती हूँ। उनको जरूरत है हम जैसे लोगों की, उनको अपलिफ्ट करें, उनको एक अच्छी लाइफ दें। दे आल्सो डिजर्व अ गुड लाइफ। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Muskan. So let's hear it from Naomi next. Hi, Naomi.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good.
Are we ready?
Yes, ready. Yeah, okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Naomi. So I'm just going to show you my outfit. It's based on the theme chess. So I'll just show it to you. Okay, so I've just worn a skirt and I also have a shoe which matches, hopefully, if it's visible. Yeah, so it's black and white. Okay, so I have selected this theme as my makeup because you know, chess is when you say now life is a game. So if you don't play it right, you're going to be checkmate. But at times, so you know, checkmate happened to me a few months ago when I was literally, you know, when it talks about black and white, there's also darkness, there's also light. So a few months ago, I was like pulled into darkness. My life was I was actually at a checkmate. And that's when FCR actually came as a light in my life. And that's the reason I believe, like, you know, same like the game of chess, you know, to win, you have to make that move. And through FCR, it actually, I would say FCR has actually helped me make that move. So that's it for today. And also one more thing, I'd also done my nails white because since I'm back in the light, so that's why I'm sticking only to white. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Naomi. Thank you so much. So next would be Naina. Hi, Naina.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are we ready?
Yes, sir. से हमारी जिंदगी मांग लेते हैं, हम आपको खुशी खुशी दे देते हैं, तो हमसे हमारा गुरूर छीन लिया। Hello, good afternoon all. Myself Naina Bharamia. For today, I am portraying the character of Kashibai, first wife of Peshwa Bajirao. They say beauty is what the eyes can see, but I believe that beauty is way beyond.
that which is rightfully depicted by Kashibai. She was one of the greatest and most powerful women of all time. She was a perfect example of grace, strength, love, sacrifice, and self-respect. One thing I admire most about her is that despite being heartbroken, she expressed great valor and chivalry throughout her life. And is beautifully depicted by this song. Seconds are just not enough to elaborately express the character of Kashibai, but I have done my best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Naina. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Vidya next. Hi, Vidya.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Are we ready?
Yeah, ready. See, today I have come in this makeup. So this actually I wanted to do this because I think that many women are being harassed, and in this society, even all are educated and those things, women are harassed. But at the same time, I feel every women are a Kali themselves. They can be most powerful than the men. So I have come in this portrait. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vidya. Thank you. So moving forward, let's hear it from Shireen. And post Shireen, the sequence would be Sugandha, Amandeep, Pooja, Purnima, and Samiksha. So Shireen, can I please hear from you?
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes. एक्चुअली मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ पूरे इंडियन कल्चर को। मैंने पहले सोचा कि मैं कौन सा स्टेट का चुनूं, बट सभी स्टेट अपने अपनी जगह पे बहुत बेस्ट है। किसी स्टेट को चूज नहीं कर सकते। इंडिया एक पूरा इन सभी स्टेट का कॉम्बिनेशन है, इसलिए हमारा कल्चर इतना पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेमस है। तो सो मैंने देखा कि जब मानुषी चिल्लर ने पूरा मिस वर्ल्ड का क्राउन पहना, तभी तक उन्होंने वो आउट ऑफ कंट्री गए थे, तभी तक उन्होंने वेस्टर्न कल्चर अपनाया। जब वो वापस इंडिया में आए तो उन्होंने सब कुछ वो चाह रहे थे सभी जगह, तो उन्होंने अपना सिंपल ड्रेस में अपने आप को पूरा रिप्रेजेंट किया। सो आई एम सो मैं उसे पूरा मैं इंस्पायर हुई, तो सिर्फ मैंने सोचा कि ठीक है, सिर्फ फॉर्मल मैंने रेयन अम्ब्रेला ड्रेस पहना है। मैं आपको सबको बताना चाहती हूँ विथ इंडियन, सिर्फ मैंने झुमके डाले और मैंने नेक में एक छोटा सा लॉकेट पहना है, just show our simple Indian culture. So thank you.
Thank you, Shireen. Thank you so much. Kalpana ji, please अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए, आपका माइक ऑन हो गया है. Okay.
Sorry.
So no problem. So moving forward, let's hear it from Sugandha. Hi, Sugandha.
Hi, hello. How are you?
Okay, I can't hear you properly. आपकी आवाज बहुत low pitch पे आ रही है. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Now, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so
also there is one little request, Sugandha. अगर आगे से आपको जल्दी allocation का हो, तो you need to inform me prior. It's very difficult for me to put you into slots when I've already decided the sequence. Office में आप शुरू से ही हो, right? So you need to understand the boundaries here, because फिर वो सब line से शुरू हो जाते हैं, मेरे को पहले डाल दो, so please. So are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, please go.
So today I'm depicting office wear. So I have chosen ethnic wear for my office theme because I'm more comfortable in ethnic wear, and plus I like to be minimalistic and elegant at the same time. And I have done my brows because this is the first thing I think everyone notice when they look at your face, and I have done minimalistic makeup. So this is my theme for today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sugandha. So moving forward, we have Amandeep, and then the sequence would be Pooja Mishra, Purnima, Samiksha, Shruti, Swapna, and Tasneem. So, hi Amandeep.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. आपका वीडियो विजिबल नहीं है.
मैम वो ना मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ तो मेरी
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है अमनदीप, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. डू यू वांट मी टू पुट यू इन द एंड अगर आप अभी ट्रैवल कर रही हैं?
यस मैम, यू कैन पुट मी इन प्लीज.
ओके ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. So let's hear it from Pooja Mishra. Hi Pooja.
Hello ma'am.
Are we ready?
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Very good. Thank you ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon everyone. I am Pooja Mishra from Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh. उत्तर प्रदेश में एक कॉमन सा कल्चर है सलवार कुर्ता वेयर करने का, तो मैंने आज वही वेयर किया है गोल्डन दुपट्टे के साथ. और हमारे यहाँ पे मेकअप करने का मतलब मम्मी हमेशा बोलती हैं कि पढ़ने लिखने वाली लड़की नहीं है, पर अब मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया और मैं मम्मी को भी थोड़ा सा बता रही हूँ कि नहीं, ये थोड़ा सा तो इम्पोर्टेंट है अपने आप को इन्हांस करने का. सो मेरे लिए मेकअप सिर्फ ब्यूटी को इन्हांस करना नहीं है, ये हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को भी बूस्ट करता है. हम जहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी कॉमन नहीं था, शादी से पहले मेकअप तो कर ही नहीं सकते, बट यार मैंने थोड़ा सा किया है, जितना मैंने सीखा उतना यहाँ पे लाके डाल दिया. और मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ एफसीआ कम्युनिटी के लिए कि यहाँ से मैं चेंज हो रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. तो ये मेरी इयररिंग है, मेरी फेवरेट इयररिंग मैंने कैरी की है. और मैंने थोड़ा सा आई शेडो भी किया, जितना सीखा था उसको मैंने यहाँ पे लाके डाल दिया. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है क्योंकि पहले मैं भी ऐसी थी पढ़ाकू टाइप, बाकी कुछ नहीं. तो थैंक यू मैम सो मच. इतना ही आज के लिए.
Thank you Pooja, thank you so much. So let's hear it from Purnima next. Hi Purnima.
Hello ma'am, I'm audible ma'am?
Yes, you're audible. शुरू करें?
Yes ma'am. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon juries and all beauties. And I'm here to present my fashion. I wear a white sari with a net. I wear a necklace, earrings, and a rose with a bun. And I'm sure that कि जैसे जैसे जनरेशन गैप बढ़ती है, जैसे जैसे जनरेशन आगे जा रही है, मगर हम हमारी जो हम जो प्रस्तुति है, हमारी प्रकृति है, उससे नेचर के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं. जो हम नेचर के साथ जुड़े हैं, हमारे कल्चर के अनुसार ही मैंने ये सब लुक किया है. और मेरा मानना यही है कि फैशन अपना खुद का होना चाहिए, जो दूसरों के लिए आइडियल बने, कभी शायद चल के आइकॉन भी बने. बस यही मेरी एक दुआ है. और मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि पायो जी मैंने राम लखन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो. वस्तु अमोलिक दिए मेरे सतगुरु, वस्तु अमोलिक दिए मेरे सतगुरु, कृपा कर अपनायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो, पायो जी मैंने राम रतन धन पायो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you Purnima, thank you so much. So next we have Samiksha. Hi Samiksha.
Hello Harry, how are you?
I am good, how are you?
I'm absolutely fine.
Are we ready?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Namaskar, respected judges, and hello my dear friends. I'm Samiksha Mahapatra from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. As I had said before, I'm here in FCR not only to showcase my talent, but to represent my culture and tradition in a national and international level. Abiding by my word, I'm here with the theme, the Classical India, Odissi, one of the 7 Shastra Nrityas in India, and I'm here with the costume of an Odissi dancer. So let's know how I have done it. For my makeup, I have used moisturizer, foundation, concealer,
contour, blush, highlighter, eyebrows, mascara, eyeshadow, kajal, kumkum bindi, lipstick, and makeup fixer respectively. For my hair, I have done khosa or jura, which signifies the beauty of every Indian woman, adding to which I'm wearing a tahia. The silver jewelries I'm wearing brings out the essence of every Indian lady. The bangles, the finger rings, the armlet, the necklace, the earring, the sindhi, the nose ring, and the most important part, the waist belt, which is known as linga patia. Coming to my costume, I'm wearing a traditional Odia Patra sari known as khandwa. And the last thing, without which every classical dancer remains incomplete, is Anchal and Guru, which I would like to show you all. So that's all about my today's getup. I hope you all liked it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Samiksha. Thank you so much. So next, hi, Shruti.
Hello. Hi, Harry.
Yes, I can hear you. Are we ready?
Am I visible?
Yeah, you're visible and audible both.
Okay, Harry. So today I would like to talk regarding Indian culture, and in that I would like to speak regarding Haryana's culture, where I belong from. I belong to Hisar, Haryana, and regarding my dress. So I'll put the phone here. So I'm wearing this is a skirt which is in the form of a ghagra and a simple kurti, and I've worn earrings which can be visible in a nearby look. So this look is a basic look which every Haryana or Hisar girl would wear, would carry, and that is all the grace that it gathers, and rest. It is just a simple look which I would like to depict, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much. So next we'll have Swapna. Hi, Swapna.
Hi, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, namaskar everyone, Juhar to everyone. So first of all, I would like to say about my costume, what I'm wearing. So this is a sari, a Koraput tribal sari. These are the ornaments that we wear, and this is my hairstyle, which is basically attached with clips and here, and this is a bun which normally stays at the corner of your head and the flowers I must, and these are my bangles, and these are the things that the Koraput tribe will wear, and I'll show my full outfit. So this is what I wore today. So now I want to say about this costume and what I'm wearing. My name is Swapna Madla. I am from Odisha, Koraput district. So today I would love to represent the beauty of my tradition and to know where we are going with this tradition. Rituals, sacrifices, prayer, art are one of the many ways people show their allegiance to represent their culture. Wanna feel the nature very closely, come visit and Koraput. It won't be wrong if we call it a paradise, and the person who always get the paradise are the local tribes of Koraput.
I cannot see Swapna. Is her video off?
Swapna's video went off, yeah. Yeah, now you're visible, Swapna. Please continue.
Koraput tribe is basically which we all wear, and this is a which represents our culture and tradition. If I won't be wrong if we call it a paradise, and this is what I today I'm wearing and all in front of you all and presenting my state, my culture, my Koraput tribe, and everything. And a great philosopher said the roots are the main things of what keeps us alive. So the roots which keeps us alive in the Koraput traditions are our local tribes. And Parav is one of the festival which represents the Koraput tribal people, and they dance together and celebrate. It's like a dream of 7 days. And with this, I would like to end my topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swapna. Jury members, Swapna was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Tasneem. Hi, Tasneem.
Hi, Harry. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm always good. Thank you.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes. Good afternoon, judges and my beautiful fellow contestants. I'm Tasneem from Amchi, Mumbai. Agar firdos baroe zami ast, hami ast, hami ast, hami ast. It means if there is heaven on this earth, it is here, it is here, it is here. This famous couplet is by the Sufi poet Amir Khusru when he saw Kashmir. My tryst with Kashmir was 10 years back when I was mesmerized by this enchanting beauty. Kashmir has sublime mountains, snow-capped mountains, and lush green meadows, crimson-colored flowers, and full-bloom flowers all at one place. Kashir, Kashir Chipirwar, Yitich Kumkum Sufi, Kumkum Sukhanwar, Yich Mohabbat, Yich Khubsurti, Yituk Pehnav, Yituk Kyon, Yituk Mausam. So Kashmir captivates you, not only with its beauty, but also its hospitality and its people. The Kashmiris are blessed with a flawless complexion, rosy lips, and pink cheeks. So today I am trying to do justice by, you can see the Kashmir attire and the jewelry. I have used pink shades and peaches for my natural tones and pink lipstick for my rosy lips. So I hope I'm doing justice to bring their ethereal beauty on me. So if you want to visit a paradise on this earth, do visit Kashmir. Thank you.
Thank you, Tasneem. Thank you so much. So next we'll hear from Soumyashri, and post Soumyashri, the sequence would be Darshana, Jas, Manya, Teresa, Gopika. So hi, Soumyashri. Your voice is not audible. आप म्यूट पे हो. No, actually, I think there is some problem with the device. So either you log in from a different device or try putting in earphones, maybe for that matter. So I'll put you into a later position. Don't worry. Okay, you can figure that out. So let's hear it from Darshana. Hi, Darshana.
Hello.
Hi, are we ready?
Yeah, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Please go.
Yeah. Ma'am, my name is Darshana Deshmukh, and ma'am, firstly, I want to tell that ma'am, I'm feeling fantastic after participating in this pageant. And ma'am, today I am wearing a party wear look, like I have wear a one piece, and after that I have done a nude makeup, and after that I have wear one what we can say silver studs and wine color lipstick, and I choose this as a attire as I love this and I feel comfortable in this. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshana. Thank you. So next we'll hear from Jas. Hi, Jas. प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. Okay, so let's move forward to Manya. Hi, Manya.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I'm Manya Vats from Haridwar, and I have done the makeup of Harley Quinn, who is a Hollywood villain of Suicide Squad movie. Harley Quinn is a character who is emotionally abused by her father and her long-term love, the Joker. She is very fascinating villain and most beautiful character. I'm not saying that we have to take lessons from her. I'm saying that we have to take lessons from her life, and we can't take her as our role model, but we can compare her mistakes to our own mistakes. We are very complex creature on this earth, as we are human beings, and sometimes we make mistakes we aren't proud of. But that doesn't mean we can't keep going forward and we can't do better. We are very valid and valuable reason to on this earth, and it's okay to feel down sometimes. Thank you. I have about my makeup. I have done half pinky makeup and half bluish makeup, which is smudged. It is the half makeup of pink is shows the girly girl look, whether the half blue makeup shows the tomboy look. A girl can be the mixture of both the girly and the boyish. We can take decisions on our own, and we shows our side according to the situation. Thank you.
Thank you, Manya. Thank you so much. So next we have is Teresa. Hi, Teresa.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am also good. Now, finally recovered from injury.
Okay, so are we ready?
Yeah, sure. So first, I want to show my look. So as a sports person, I try to become a fan of crazy Indian cricket team. So I did this flag with the nail paints, because flag with all this eyeshadow don't look like that. But with nail paints, it's look like that. So I try to be like that. I want to say that success is a journey. So enjoy it, every ups and down in your life. Because without journey, you can't reach to destiny. And I'm really, really thankful to whole the team of Forever Miss India that they give me a platform where I can be myself with being a sports person and being a model. I can manage both the things, and they are providing me such a great constant support that even being in an injury, they're giving me so many बहुत सारे मौके देती है. So उसके लिए काफी सारा मैंने वो भी किया, तो उसके लिए sorry and thank you for the all your constant support. And I want to say that whenever we say now that I'm from this state, I want to say that I'm a Tarisha Christian and I'm from the India, because that represent us. India पूरा beautiful है, कोई state क्यों? हमारा पूरा state ही beautiful है, पूरा country beautiful है, तो एक state को क्यों हम represent कर रहे हैं? India को represent करो हर जगह. And I want to say कहीं भी कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स हो, कोई भी हॉकी, क्रिकेट या कुछ भी हो, एंड राइट नाउ ओलंपिक भी चल रहा है, तो आई वांट टू से कि जिस तरह हम क्रिकेट को सपोर्ट करते हैं, प्लीज सपोर्ट ईच एंड एवरी स्पोर्ट्स, बी इट ओलंपिक, हॉकी और व्हाटएवर. एंड यस, more support to hockey because it's our national game. That's what I want to say. Thank you to each and everyone, Harry ma'am, Kirti ma'am, and all the best to all the fellow contestants. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Teresa. Jury members, Teresa was 20 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Gopika. Hi, Gopika.
Hi, Harry. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Okay. Yes, I am. Good afternoon. Ellavarkkum namaskaram. My name is Gopika. I'm 28 years old and I'm from Kerala. The theme that I've selected for today is Beauty Meets Simplicity and Ethnicity. So, and what I have chosen as my outfit is a Kerala sari, or commonly known as Kasavu sari. And there are three major reasons why I chose this. Firstly, this is the traditional outfit for Kerala women, and we believe that wearing this instantly brings you down to your roots. I have spent 26 of my 28 years in my life here, and I've loved everything about Kerala, especially its fashion, hence the sari. Secondly, I wanted to support the local vendors here who are struggling due to the pandemic. The wedding market has crashed and they are struggling a lot. So I bought this from a very local shop, a nearby small shop, and I wanted to support them, and hence I chose this. Another reason is, Keralites are very jovial and fun-loving people who are just waiting for a special occasion to celebrate. And, no celebration is complete without this attire. And I feel that this round of FCR is indeed something to celebrate about, and I have chosen this traditional costume. And talking about my makeup, Kerala women are blessed with big eyes and plump lips. All our makeup are subtle. We just enhance what features we have, especially the eyes and lips, and that's what I've done. I've just accessorized it with gold-plated ornaments, and I have left my hair in curls. That's it. I'll just show you my entire outfit. Yeah. Thank you. I hope you all like it.
Thank you so much, Gopika. Jury members, Gopika was 15 seconds past the scheduled time. And post Gopika, the sequence would be Soumyashri, Kavita, Sarita, Simran, Pooja Mato, Rumi, Aarti, Aishwarya Nayak, Ishita, and Rajkumari. So, hi Soumyashri, can we finally hear from you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible now? Yeah.
Are we ready?
Thank you so much. Hello, Eddie. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing absolutely fine.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Hello, FCR members, and very warm good afternoon to all my jury members. Today, what I'm wearing is an Indo-Western fusion wear to show the outfit exactly. I have decorated myself with this lovely tiara, and I'm holding my apron just to show that my profession is much more important. To me, an outfit is something which gives me confidence and comfort at the same time. So I think an outfit should be chosen in a way which boosts up your energy. So there are days जब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होता है, but I get up, do my hair, do my makeup, and wear a good outfit, and I am completely energized. मुझे याद ही नहीं होता कि मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. So this is what an outfit does to your personality, and this is how it boosts up.
Soumyashri, your voice is gone again.
Am I audible now?
Now you're audible.
Okay, so I'm holding my apron as to show that my profession is more important as I'm a doctor. So being a doctor, you're a doctor, you should be professional. But what my idea is, dress up as bold as you can, show your comfortability and as well as his confidence. And FCR gives me a challenge every single day to put out my best into everything. Thank you, FCR. Thank you, team. And thank you for all the women जो आज की डेट में skydiving कर रही है, skyrocketing कर रही है. They are doing each and everything just because of a push. And FCR is a platform and that push for me. Thank you so very much.
Jury members, Soumyashri was 20 seconds past our scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Kavita. Also Aishwarya, this is another Aishwarya that I've named. It's Aishwarya Nayak, so you do not have to worry. So hi Kavita.
Hello. Hello jury.
Yeah.
नमस्कार. मेरा जो टॉपिक है वो है यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी, विविधता में एकता. मैं लखनऊ से हूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश से, और मैं पिछले 10 वर्षों से मुंबई में हूँ. और जो मैंने अटायर चूज किया है दैट इज अ केरला साड़ी, जैसे मेरे कभी पार्टिसिपेंट ने भी पहनी थी. लेकिन द रीजंस आर क्वाइट डिफरेंट. मैं इसमें बिलीव करती हूँ, जैसे कि मेरी पर्सनालिटी है जो कि बहुत कुछ है उसमें एक मैं फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल हूँ, एक मदर हूँ, एक बेकर हूँ, और एक मेरे को शौक भी है ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्ट करने का। मैंने इससे पहले भी पार्टिसिपेट किया थी, वहां पे भी मैं विनर रही थी अपनी कंपनी में। यहाँ पे भी कोशिश वैसे ही रहेगी। और इस चीज को जो मेरी पर्सनालिटी है और जो मैं रिप्रेजेंट करती हूँ, उस चीज से एक ये भी है कि जैसे इंडिया में, जैसे मेरे एक फेलो पार्टिसिपेंट ने भी कहा कि यहाँ पे जैसे एफसीआई ने भी हमें यूपी से दिखाया, हमें राजस्थान, हमें मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और केरला और भी स्टेट्स हैं, वैसे ही मेरा भी पर्सनालिटी है कि सबकी डाइवर्सिटी हो और उसमें यूनिटी हो, और जैसे कि इंडिया में भी यही चीज है। तो इस चीज को मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा फॉलो करती हूँ लाइफ में भी, और ये एशिया में मतलब इससे मैं बहुत इंस्पायर्ड भी हूँ कि आज के टाइम में वी आर सीइंग एवरीबॉडी एट अ वन प्लेटफॉर्म, सो इट्स अ रिमार्केबल थिंग। और इसी दिस इज द बेसिक थीम एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से हियर। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Sarita next. Hi, Sarita.
Hi, Harry. Hi, Kirti ma'am, and hello, everyone. Yeah. So, shall I start now?
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So once again, good afternoon to respected judges and the lovely audience. Being a November-born month, I have adopted a theme of a Scorpio, a zodiac sign. I've taken this opportunity to showcase my personality through the zodiac sign and the makeup skills which I have actually applied. So if you know, like Scorpions are very, very passionate and intense. To embody the intense look, I have actually used my eyes. I have highlighted all my makeup on my eyes. You can see there's numerous different made. So entire universe is in the eyes of a Scorpio. They are very specific to the eyes. I have made some constellations here with a paint, which depicts the zodiac sign here. I have used a topaz color. Topaz color is a birthstone of Scorpio. So I have used that color here to showcase that sunrise. I have given the sunrise look because Scorpions kills ego at times for the new beginnings, and this is why I have used this. Scorpions are very loyal and very caring, but if you harm them, then you better be careful. After all, we are Scorpio. So to complete the look, I have made my hairstyle as a Scorpion. Okay? I have used eyeliner and made this scorpion on my neck. I'm wearing this black color dress for a brave and bold look as we are meant to be, and wearing heels. Thank you so much. If you give me just half a minute, ma'am, I would like to tell you, I really enjoyed it. I have really learned this because of FCA only. I think I wouldn't have done this till now otherwise. I really wanted to tell this also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sarita. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Simran. Hi, Simran.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. I'm Simran and I'm from Chandigarh. And the theme for my portfolio is a week of Flapper Girl's life, in which I've shown many aspects of a modern woman. On work days, she's a boss, and on off days, she knows how to work hard and party harder. She can take care of others while showing self-love too. She is also connected to her roots and tradition. She is with a hint of drama. She is capable of being self-sufficient, has a realization of value of education, and is a self-aware human being with an ability to make good choices, not only for herself, but for others also. Thank you. And for my look today, I'm wearing green and black eyeliner. Thank you.
Thank you, Simran. So let's hear it from Pooja Mahato next. Jury members, the earlier Pooja was Pooja Mishra, and this is Pooja Mahato. Hi, Pooja.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you? Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Shall I start?
Yeah.
First of all, I would like to show you my outfit. So I have wear this white top with pink trouser. Because I'm in hospital, so I couldn't wear some dark makeup and some big outfits and all. So I carried very simple. And for this, I have done my makeup, and I have keep it very simple and have wear this earrings and with this bold lipstick, and yeah, I have kept it very simple, nothing much. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. So Romi would be next. Hi, Romi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
मैम मैंने आज अपनी टीम को एक ट्रेडिशनल लुक में रखा है, लाइक सलवार कमीज.
I can't hear. I can't see you, unfortunately. Jury members, is she visible to you? Yeah, now you are. Okay. Please go ahead.
मैम मैं अपना लुक को दिखाना चाहती हूँ. मैंने सिंपल सा एक ये कमीज सलवार पहन रखा है एम्ब्रॉयडरी में. और मैम मैंने आज ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन जी को फॉलो किया है. उनके मेकअप को फॉलो करते हुए मैंने ये झुमके वाले इयररिंग, ये बैंगल, ये रिंग और ये समी रेड और ग्रीन कलर की कमीज और उसके साथ ये नेल पेंट को भी शो किया है. मैम मैं इस लुक के साथ ये बोलना चाह रही थी कि हमारी इंडिया में डिफरेंट टाइप की कल्चर उसके साथ आउटफिट होते हैं, लेकिन मैंने इस कमीज को इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि हमारे इंडियन लुक में बस चाहे जितनी भी कोई भी ड्रेसेस वेयर करती हूँ, लेकिन कमीज में जिस तरह से वो खुद को ब्यूटीफुल लगती है उस हिसाब से मैंने आज तो खुद को प्रिपेयर किया है. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Romi. Thank you so much. So next we have Aarti. Hi, Aarti.
Hello, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम आरती है, मैं उत्तराखंड से हूँ. आज मैंने उत्तराखंड की ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस पहनी है. मैं उत्तराखंड की गौरा देवी से स्कूल टाइम से ही इंस्पायर रही हूँ. जब मैंने पहली बार उनके बारे में पढ़ा था कि अपनी एक ऐसी महिला है जिन्होंने अपनी जान की परवाह ना करते हुए पूरी पेड़ों को कटने से रोका, तब से मैं उनसे इंस्पायर हूँ. और पर्यावरण संरक्षण के लिए मैंने अपनी ड्रेस का कलर ग्रीन चूज किया है. मैंने धोती पहनी है और ये धोती पहाड़ी स्टाइल में पहनी है. धोती के साथ मैंने कमरबंद पहना है और सर पे स्कार्फ पहना है. पहाड़ी महिलाएं सर पे स्कार्फ पहनती हैं. और धोती के साथ मैंने उत्तराखंड की ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी पहनी है. गले में गुलबंद पहना है, हाथ में पोछी पहनी है, कान में झुमकी पहनी है, माथे पे मांग टिक्का पहना है. और उत्तराखंड में रिवाज है शादी के बाद कोई भी त्योहार होता है तो नथ पहनना कंपलसरी होता है, तो मैंने गढ़वाल की स्टाइल की नथ पहनी है. और फेस पे मेकअप मैंने पहाड़ी स्टाइल का मेकअप किया है, लाइट मेकअप किया है, प्राइमर यूज किया है, कंसीलर यूज किया है और फाउंडेशन यूज किया है. यहाँ की महिलाओं को चाहे वो मैरिड हो चाहे अनमैरिड हो, सबको आईलाइनर लगाना पसंद है, तो मैंने आईलाइनर यूज किया है. माथे पे बिंदी लगाई है. तो ये है मेरा पहाड़ी लुक. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you so much. Romi, I request you to mute yourself. You know, आपका mic on है. So let's move forward to Aishwarya Nayak. Hi, Aishwarya.
How are you?
Hi, I am good. Jury members, the earlier Aishwarya was Aishwarya Bhosle and she is Aishwarya Nayak, in case there is a confusion. So are we ready, Aishwarya?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, judges. And I am presenting today, FCI is a platform about women empowerment, and it is giving great opportunity to everyone to enhance themselves. So I thought to go something out of the horizon and do this thing. I don't know if this is exactly fitting in this theme or not, but I am presenting myself in this way. Today, I do practice spiritual things, and I am a chemistry student as well. So I feel deeply connected with the nature. So
ultimately I started studying about alchemy, and which led me to this like beautiful thing that there are four elements in the nature which are very essential, and universe and whole world is balanced with this, that is air, water, fire, and earth. So I me being a part of that element, I tried to camouflage myself with this outfit. And also I would like to say that um, as everyone knows that Egypt is the place where it is the land of queens, and it has been known for mysteries, magic, and many more things. And I would like to say that there are parts in Egypt which are similar to India as well. So just like the alchemy which is used over there in Egyptian language, which is not yet decoded, and we have this same alchemy defined in Sanskrit in our Vedas. So we have knowledge which is rich, and I would suggest everyone and every woman to empower themselves like the people and the women dominant country which is like Egypt, so that also women can feel powerful and more knowledgeable, confident in within herself. And yeah, this is my outfit, and it is so it. And I have paired it with a small piece of jewelry which kind of Egyptian people wear, and it is mostly in symmetrical shapes. And makeup I have done like the Egyptian forms, and you can see the eyeliner which I have applied with, and I have kept it all blue because they use it from natural ore which is called malachite, and which is used for their eye makeup, and mostly they use berry shades for their uh, lipstick. So yeah, this is what I have prepared for this round. Thank you.
Jury members, Aishwarya was 1.5 minutes past her scheduled time. So next we have Ishita. Hi, Ishita. Okay, so let's move on to Rajkumari. Hi, Rajkumari.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
So, good afternoon, everyone. For this talents round, I'll be unfolding the new nation, a new India. So, India is now all about democracy and freedom. So, being a free girl, I am just showing the freedom that we all are acquiring nowadays. So, because I feel free and comfortable in Western attire, so I've chosen a Western attire in this. And the theme for this round is The Sky is Pink. Because I belong to a field of bone marrow transplant, so you might have seen that movie in which that girl was treated with the blood disorder as a new life, that is this bone marrow transplant. So that girl, there was an incident when that girl painted her sky as pink because it was all about blood and blood disorders for her. Her life was all around that pink shade. So she painted her sky as pink, and her strong mother, she said that because she was scolded that sky is not pink, it is blue, as we all are, like we all know it is blue. But her strong mother said that you don't need to change your sky because of others, you just need to follow your dreams. And if you believe that your sky is pink, so it is pink. सपनों के 100 पन्ने नींद में लिखा करेंगे, पढ़ के सुनाएंगे दिल और दिल से सुना करेंगे. So for my makeup, as the theme is sky is pink, so everything is based on pink. My lipstick is also matte pink, but I have overcome with a glossy shimmer gloss because I love to shine. And my makeup is also based on shiny, glossy things. So with a high ponytail. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Jury members, Rajkumari was 15 seconds past her scheduled time. Now let's hear from Jazz. Hi, Jazz. Can you please unmute yourself? प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. Can't hear you. There is some audio issue. Yeah. या तो आप earphones remove कीजिए. आप maybe that might work, but otherwise, yeah, there is a problem there. So by the time you fix that, let me. Aishwarya and Aarti, can you please mute yourself? Amandeep. Hi, Amandeep. Can we finally hear from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are we ready? Go ahead.
Yes, I am Amandeep Kaur from Bathinda district. It is in Punjab, and today I am representing my culture with a Punjabi suit because it is my culture, and also preferred by the women to wear this clothes because this shows their culture very pure, and also Punjabi suit is mostly preferred by the girls of Punjab. Whereas I am traveling, so I can show you pictures of my today dress, which I have clicked today onwards. So please, you can see my pictures because I am traveling, so I cannot show you my outlook by standing. So I can show you the pictures. I am wearing the Punjabi suit with Punjabi jutti. You can see here. In same, it's look of today. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Amandeep. Thank you so much. Jazz, can we finally hear from you? Amandeep.
Okay.
Hi, Jazz. Okay, there is still no voice from your end. By the time, Ishita, hi Ishita, are you back again? Because I saw you.
Sorry, I got disconnected. Hi, good afternoon.
Are we ready?
Yes. Hi, so I'm Ishita. I'm from Gurgaon. I'm currently in college, and I'm a fourth-year student of architecture. My look for today is that of a boss lady, and it is something that we all look up to when we are a kid. And it is also like I was really inspired by your look, ma'am, like Hedy ma'am, like the way that you keep your posture and the way how I've tried to keep my look is that since the theme is pink, so I've tried to keep like a pink eyeshadow, like a very light pink eyeshadow and a pink lip. And I feel that we all like it kind of gives me courage and to like actually have this look. And it's impersonate, like it's basically having the feeling of a boss lady rather than dressing up as a boss lady. I've tried to keep my jewelry minimum. I'm wearing like small diamond studs. I'll try to like show you my outfit. Like I'm wearing striped pants with this. It's a little new look on having like a boss lady. So yeah, that's my outfit. So these are full pants that I'm wearing. So of striped pants, and what we can wear is like wear like heels with these. So it's a very minimalistic look that I've gone for with pink eyeshadow and pink lip, and I've used a little bit of pink tint as well. So yeah, that's my look for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishita. Thank you so much for the compliment there. Thank you. And moving forward, Jazz, can we finally hear something from you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm audible, ma'am.
आपका voice अभी भी audible नहीं है. Jury members, is it just me or is it not working for anybody?
No, even I can't hear her. We can only see you in this particular view, the speaker views.
No luck, Jazz. No luck yet. I guess you will have to log in from a different device. If you can do that within 2 minutes, it would be great. Can you try typing, because anyways we can't hear you, right? Can you try now? Yes, you are a little audible now, but you'll have to speak a little louder. It's not working. It's not going to work while you speak for 90 seconds. So yeah. There are no further options on the device. You'll have to change the device if you want to, complete this, because agar wo nahi ho raha hai, then it won't work. Okay, you can do that by the time the jury members can wind up. Okay, so thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much for putting up such a wonderful show. I would request all of you to switch on your videos again. I duly understand, but we need to respect the larger picture here. So let's, now let's hear it from the judges themselves. What do they think of it? So over to you, Kirti ma'am. I'd like you to begin.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me. And thank you, each one of you, for appearing for your talent round 2 today. First of all, congratulations from my side that each one of you has presented yourself beautifully today. All of you look very elegant and very beautiful. And let me just tell you, even, if you were representing it very simply, and you were just talking about your state or the attire from your state or your own culture, or if you were talking about India as a whole, so it was beautiful. What matters is that how much you really feel for it, how much you are passionate for it, because Maharashtra kind of ruled today. So a lot of you portrayed Maharashtrian attire, but each one of you was unique. You did it differently. You talked about your culture differently. And that's what makes each one of you different. And, as a lot of participants said, India is a land of unity in diversity. I totally agree with that. And this platform totally proves that. And, when I say that there's a certain kind of beauty in simplicity, I would also say one more thing, that a lot of you also talked about some important issues today through your makeup, through your attire, and through your presentation. So hats off to each one of you, because yes, talking about something really important, talking about something really critical for your country requires a certain level of courage. And you portrayed that today when, one of you, I guess, Melrose, you talked about farmers. So let me just tell you, farmers are today protesting at Jantar Mantar, right? Since the morning they're there. So, most of us feel ki acha, kya farak padta hai if, you are not from that background, from a farmer's background. Hame aisa lagta hai ki hame nahi farak padta, but let me tell you that directly or indirectly, each one of us is affected by what is happening across the country today. And this has been going on for almost a year. हमारा जो अन्नदाता है वो वहाँ पे protest कर रहा है because 3 farm laws were passed by the Parliament of India, and the farmers and we as a country do not surely agree to it. So it is happening because the farmers want those laws to be repealed. Yes. So why am I explaining about this in detail? Because I personally feel for it. And today, when they are protesting at Jantar Mantar, so yes, in order to tell you that we must be aware of what is happening across the country, what is happening across the world, read about it, talk about it, because उससे बहुत ज़्यादा impact पड़ता है. अगर आज किसी एक ने इस बारे में बात की है, अगर आज किसी ने harassment के बारे में बात की है, which happens with a lot of women in their homes, it happens in a professional environment also, then we will think about it, and even we'll gain that confidence that we are going through it, we will start talking about it, right? So that's what the platform is all about. We are a community, we have to be there for each other, and we have to inspire each other. So yes, thank you for that. A few more points that I would like to add up. Time limit mat cross कीजिए. अगर 90 seconds आपका time limit है, please do not go beyond that. अगर आप 5-10 सेकंड ऊपर नीचे जाते हैं, it really doesn't matter. लेकिन अगर आप 40 seconds, 1 minute उसको क्रॉस कर देते हैं, then we have to deduct your marks, right? So I'm sure you understand. अभी आपके पास एक मौका और है, जो आपका talent round 3 with respect to ramp walk होगा, उसमें आप खुद को prove कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अपनी please time limit में ही रहिए. And second thing, this is a very professional platform. आप forever miss and forever Mrs. India में participate कर रहे हैं. It is not just any other beauty pageant happening across the country. So you have to behave in that manner, right? आपको कैसे खुद को present करना है, कैसे बात करनी है, and also the trainers are telling you कि आपका background कैसा होना चाहिए. You should be well prepared with that. Your system is here and you're standing towards the left, so we're not able to see you completely. तो virtual presence जो है वो भी आपको trainings में सिखाया जा रहा है. That is why we say that please take each and every session very seriously. आप ऐसा मत सोचिए कि ये तो मुझे आता है, why should I attend? मुझे पता है virtual presence क्या होता है. No, we are teaching you something which is really important in today's world, and especially when you're appearing virtually for your auditions, when you're appearing virtually for your talent rounds, right? So thank you so much, all the best, and all of you are looking very graceful today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you. And now I request Chitra to take over.
Hello everyone, and a very, very warm good evening. Today's show was very well put up, I can say that. The makeup, I saw a lot of creativity in that. And yes, that creativity catches attention, I must say. And you remember that, and that is the objective, right? And another thing that I want to say is that there are many participants who feel that, I know I've been always telling this almost every day to everyone, that embrace makeup, embrace a little bit of highlighter, because now you all are participants of a beauty pageant, okay? You need to come across like that, because people will be listening to you, somebody might be watching you, somebody might be following you. So when you look like a participant of the beauty pageant, you actually start gaining that limelight, which is what for you, that is why you all are here. So the makeup, the trainers have really, done their job well. I can see all of you all. And there's one thing I really observed, that whatever inspiration you all are taking from, don't justify it too much. Just say that I am inspired with so-and-so. We all know that what would be the things behind that character. So don't talk more about that character or the characteristics of a state or whatever. Talk more about yourself. So this is one thing that next time you all should keep in mind. And today was a fantastic show overall. Not many participants crossed the time limit, just few of them. So yes, giving all of you all a big round of applause, and congratulations, you all have cleared today. And you all are looking so beautiful in the screen. All different colors and from different states. So all the best for your all your endeavors.
Thank you so much, Chitra. Roshni had to leave for some urgent work, out of emergency. So she's passed on a message to, me to tell everybody that you guys were really versatile, but she still thinks timing is a concern that needs to be catered really well. Be it finishing up in 30 seconds or be it finishing up post 90 seconds, either of, these things eventually affect your score. So thank you so much, ladies. It was an absolute honor having you here. Special thanks to Chitra for making out time today. You know, she had a really busy schedule. So thank you so much. And I shall take your leave to have some parting words with the participants.
Ma'am, can I speak? Excuse me.
Yes, Vidya, you can speak.
Ma'am, you said that our first talent rounds mark will be in our page, but I couldn't see any of my mark in that. When I asked the persons, they said we haven't uploaded it. Is it so or?
Yes, you are the last batch, so इसलिए आपके marks तो सबसे last में आने वाले हैं. So wait for a day or two. They will be uploaded really soon.
Right. Okay.
So all right, ladies, give me just 10 seconds to wind up.